We are here at Tiny Nirvana Tiny Home in Towns County, Georgia, and I cannot wait to show you the inside. Come on. We are Nikki and Hayden, the creators behind Journey More. We are a young married couple traveling all over to find the most unique Airbnbs out there and share them with you. When you first arrive, you'll notice the outside area that has a fire pit with chairs and lights above it so you can enjoy this space day or night, and it is gorgeous out here. We are surrounded by trees and it's almost fall, so the leaves are changing. You can see a view through the treetops. It is incredible. I love it out here. And not only is the nature beautiful, but so is the exterior. The aesthetic of this place is sleek, modern, and beautiful, and it gets even better inside. Come on. So you come around this side to the front door where you get your key, and there's even a cute little doorbell. So let's go inside. So when you first walk in, you'll see this tiny kitchenette that actually has everything you need, including a sink, coffee maker, microwave, stovetop, fridge, cups, plates, bowls, and all the utensils you need to cook a delicious meal. And then moving this way, you pass by this massive window that you can see the trees out of, and that's one thing about this place they do really well is cover it with windows so you feel like you're outside though you're inside. It's a wonderful touch. Off to the left is the dining, eating area with stools and a fold-out table. And then moving into the living space, we've got a precious little couch for two with a stool next to, again, giant windows. They also have board games and TV for plenty of entertainment while you're here staying in this tiny home. And then back out this way, we're gonna go up the stairs. And this is your master bedroom. There's a huge queen bed surrounded in windows. It's super comfortable and cozy up here. The perfect spot for a tiny home. Going back down the stairs, they also have these metal railings that are really uniquely designed, just adding to the aesthetic inside. It's really awesome. So not only is there one bed, but there's two, and you have to go up this ladder for it. And the great thing about tiny homes is they make the spaces really functional, and so this ladder actually comes out so that you can go up it. And then all the way up here, they have a twin bed, so you can bring an extra person or some kids with you, and it is really comfy and cozy up here as well. And you also have a great view of all the windows from this side. Coming back down safely.
Yes, safely.
Once you're done, you just put the ladder away like that, then you can open the door. Last but not least, the bathroom. To our surprise, it is a full bathroom. You've got a shower, sink, toilet, running water, hot water, and they've got plenty of amenities like soap, shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste in case you forgot. Basically a fully stocked bathroom, and then a bonus of robes and slippers. So you have a touch of luxury while you're here as well. They also have Wi-Fi, heating and air here, so it is a full experience with everything that you need. And though this place is a tiny home, it feels really spacious because of the open floor plan. We love it. This place is awesome. You should definitely come and book.
This tiny home in the mountains of northern Georgia definitely lives up to its name. It is a tiny escape. It's the perfect place to come, unwind, relax, have a peaceful, quiet weekend. We would highly recommend booking a stay here.
We love all of the amenities that the host has laid out for us here at this place that make it just even better, including the fire pit under the light, Wi-Fi, heating and air conditioning, even some robes and slippers. They've decked this place out and it is awesome.
And that sleek, black design on the outside with just the modern feel on the inside with that bright wood and those massive windows letting in all of the natural light. Even when you're in the tiny house, you feel like you're just immersed in nature. It is an awesome experience. We would highly recommend booking a stay here. If you want to, we will leave a link in the description below, that way you can get to it. And if you yourself are an Airbnb or short-term rental host and you would like us to feature your place, we would love to hear from you. You can reach us at journeymore.com. But for now, come journey more with us, and we'll see you next time.
Come around the tiny home this way. Oh, God.
Careful there.
We good? We good?
Okay.
Oh, there's a doorbell. Internet, heating and air, robes, Wi-Fi. Oh, I said that already.
Just start your phone.
Okay, okay.